BarryTiger. Subscribe!
Oh no! Baby car is missing!
There's quite a lot of people at the amusement park.
Baby car, stay close to mommy and daddy. Don't get lost.
Oh, someone's crying. Oh no, baby car, why are you covered in bird poop? Where are your parents? Oh, I see, you're lost. It's okay, let's go to the repair station first. I'll help you find your mommy and daddy. There are many tiny bugs around baby car. We must get rid of them. Let's see what we have in the toolbox. Why are there more bugs now? We have to use another tool. Hooray! The bugs are gone. And now, let's go to the car wash. First, we'll wash with some washing liquid. Now, let's rinse off the bubbles with water. Baby car, you're doing a great job. Lastly, we'll use a blower to dry baby car. Huh? Baby car, what's wrong? Oh, you miss your mommy and daddy. Dear friends, let's help baby car find his mommy and daddy. Oh, there's a traffic jam. Baby car's parents should be around here somewhere. Where could they be? Oh, is that him?
Oh, baby car, where are you?
Hooray! We found him! But where is baby car's mommy? She's a pink-colored car with a purple straw hat. Oh, you said you saw her?
Has anyone seen baby car?
This is great! We found her! Hooray! Check finished! Dear friends, it's all thanks to you!
Oh, we finally found you!
Thank you, Super Mechanic Barry!
Stay close to your mommy and daddy next time. Don't get lost again.
The amusement park is still open. Let's go there quickly. Super Mechanic Barry, goodbye!